This is the March Luxury Box by Pretty Obsessed. And by the looks of all of that, I'm pretty obsessed. Let's get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is the March Pretty Obsessed box. Let's get it out of here. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button right down there, just give it a little tap. Come and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. When I get to 2,000 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. I'm going to link a video. Oh, missed it. I'm going to link a video just here. In that video, it's going to show you what the 3 prizes are. The main prize being the 2021 glossy advent calendar, which is out of this world. And I need, how many do I need? 270 subscribers, I think, give or take. But yeah, get subscribing, let your friends and family know as well. Right, so here is the box. I am dying to get in here. I really look forward to this box coming ever since I've started subscribing to it, because the box that I get has got 10 full size products in here. I'm just going to pop that there a moment. So I've been on the website and I've wrote down the information that they've got on there, because they have a few boxes. They have a premium box, which is their original box that they started with 5 full-size products for £14.99. They do a luxury box, which is the one I've got, which is 10 full-size products, and that's £24.99. They do a skincare and pamper box where you get 5 full-size products for £19.99. They do a makeup only box for 5 full-size products for £19.99. And they also do a ladies essential box, where you can get 6 to 7 products in there to help with the time of the month, and that is £9.99. So they do quite a range of boxes indeed, but I'm going to stick with this one because I get 10 products in here and I've loved everything so far, so can't go wrong with that. If you want to treat yourself to one of those many boxes that they do, I have a link. I'll pop the link in the information box and the comment box, and it will get you free postage. The longer you subscribe to any of the boxes, the cheaper that they get as well, just to let you know. But let's have a little sneak peek. Right, so inside we have a little card. It's just telling them about the new mystery boxes and lucky dip boxes that they do. Cool, go and check them out too. As I say, they're doing all sorts. This is inside the box. It looks all lovely and crisp. Let's change that. I'm going to bring those products up so we can see. There we go. That is a very quick sneak peek for you. Without further ado, let's have a dig through. Right guys, with this box you do not get an edit card, which is probably a good thing because there's a lot of products in this box and we'll be here forever. So we're going to go off the information on the products and yeah, go from there. And may I just add, I've just done a little count of my products. I have 11, not 10. So how many did you get in yours? Did you get an extra one? Because I'm really happy that I did. Right, so the first product we have is this. So this is the biggest product in the box. I was drawn to it, the colour. It's just really nice looking as well. This is by the brand Anatomicals, and it's a coconut and mango body butter. 200 mils that you get in here, and it just says on here, smoother butts love coconuts. Great, absolutely great. So there's nothing really to explain about the body lotion, but I bet you the mango and the coconut go well together. Oh, I just made a right mess there. So let's just rub that in. Oh my god guys, that smells so heavenly. I've just started getting my smell back. My nose isn't as blocked as what it was, which is great. Oh, and I'm so glad that I can smell that because it is friggin' beautiful. Second product we have is this. So again, the orange drew me in. This is by the brand Project Lip, and it is a Prep the Pout mask. Hydrating, smoothing and collagen infused mask. Great, yeah, love a lip mask. Like doing these on a night time, and yeah, cool. Really nice product to get. The third product we have is this. So this is by the brand -417. I think I've said that right. This is Time Control Firming Radiant Mud Mask. Oh, cool. Absolutely cool. So what do we do there? The writing is absolutely tiny. I can't see the writing on the back. It's really small and it's really hurt my eyes trying to see, but never mind. Yeah, a mud mask, absolutely fantastic, especially if it leaves your skin more firmed and radiant. This will go straight into my face mask drawer. I now every Friday do a face mask series, or I try to. If I'm ill or if I'm just too busy, then obviously I wouldn't be able to do it, but I do try to every Friday do a face mask, so make sure to tune in. But yeah, that's definitely going to be a good one, I think. Fingers crossed. Fourth product we have is this. So this is by the brand Saturated Colours, and it is a scrub stick. Keep me in a cool place. A sugary exfoliating balm that buffs and conditions your pout. Fab, because my skin on my lips recently have been so dry. Don't know if you can see that there as well. I've started getting Crohn's on my lips and it's so annoying. I haven't been well for the last week, and because that my immune system's rubbish and anyway with the tablets I take for my Crohn's, and I've started getting Crohn's on my lips. I've got it in my mouth. I've got sores on the roof of my mouth and under my tongue. It's great. But yeah, my lips have been really dry on top of that as well, so I can't wait to have a go at that. Let's open this up, and that's how much product we get in here, which is great. Right, so I've got lipstick on, so I can't pop it on my lips yet, but I'm just going to pop it on my hand. Ooh, so there it is there. It's very thick and softer than I thought it was going to be. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, you can feel the sugar in it. Smells nice. It's going to be really nice and gentle on the lips while being really hydrating. So yeah, I can't wait to use that properly. The fifth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bella Paris Cosmetics. It doesn't say what it is. It just says this is the colour Lust. I'm presuming it's like maybe a pigment for the eyes. It's something for the eye. Yeah, it's a pigment for the eyes. I'm not going to open that because it's not really my colour, but it looks like a very sparkly, deep Cadbury's purple. It's stunning, absolutely stunning, but it will get wasted with me, so I'm going to make sure that that goes to a home which will appreciate it. So product number 6 we have is this. So this is by the brand Bodyography Professional Cosmetics, and it is a long wear eye pencil. Does it say what shade it's in? No, let's open it up and see. Ooh, how interesting. So this is Deep Violet. Really intrigued. It probably goes with that purple lovely, if I'm honest. Maybe I should keep that and try them together, or just no, I'm gonna put that to a good home. But this I'm gonna give a go. That feels so nice on the skin. It came off. It glided on so easily. This is, if any, the kind of pencil that I like. There's no effort involved. You just pop it on and it's on, and it's super gentle on the skin. What's that like when you smudge it out? I've just smudged that out a little bit, but guys, that colour is absolutely gorgeous. Product number 7, we have this. So this is by the brand Bang Beauty, and it's an eyeliner. 2 eyeliners, really? Okay. Let's open it up and see what this one's like. So this is what it looks like. It looks stunning, absolutely stunning. And it just says Precision Tip Liner in black. This is sealed. I'm going to leave that one sealed. Pardon me. Dear me. I'm going to leave that sealed because I have lots and lots of eyeliners on the go, which I don't really use, and I don't want to be opening yet another one. But yeah, I mean, it looks really nice. I'm sure I've got one of these already, but I just don't know why there's two eyeliners. I know it's two different kinds. Obviously this is a felt tippy one and that one's a pencil, but okay. Next, product number 8 we have is this. So this is by the brand Cougar by Paula Dunn, and it's a 3D facelift moisturizer cell repair. Ooh, there's 50 mils that you get in here. It has the word facelift on there. I'm up for it. So that is what it looks like. If it works, amazing. So just pop some there. So it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It has a gorgeous scent on it. My nose isn't picking up fully what it is, but it is very nice, whatever it is. Okay, I'm gonna be slapping that on my face in the morning. Product number 9, we have this. So it's by the brand Steve Laurent, and I think this is, well, it says Steve Laurent X La Demi, and it is a lip gloss. Okay, in the shade Glaze. I think I have this. In the Discovered Beauty box I got this month. I will link that box just here. We got given 7 lip products. Yes, it is. It's the same one. Yeah, we got given 7 lip products, and this was one of them in the shade Glaze. It is stunning, absolutely stunning. Oh, I've put it away in a safe place and I have to dig to get it out, otherwise I'd show you. I'm not going to open this one because I've already got one, but yeah, it is really, really pretty. If I think on when I'm editing this video, I'll put a cutaway in here showing you what this shade is like. Guys, there's 2 products left, so like I said, I got 11 products, not 10, which is always good, like a little freebie in there. And the last 2 products that I've saved till last are really, really expensive. So product number 10 is this. So this is by the brand Able Skincare London, and it's an anti-aging, retexturizing and resurfacing duo moisturizer. 50 mils in here. Yeah, like I say, Able is quite an expensive skincare brand, I think. Or am I getting that wrong? I'm sure it is. That is sealed, that is stain sealed. Yes, I don't want to open that and for it to go off before I have a chance to properly use it. But yeah, impressed. And the very, very last product in this box is product number 11, and it is this. So this is by Probiotic and it's by Doctor's Formula. This is one of my favourite brands out there. I actually have a video. Doctor's Formula sent me a few products, and I say a few, they sent me a box of products for me to try out. I'm going to link that video there. Go and check that out, guys. Amazing products. So yeah, we have another product by them, and this is Repairing Deep Hydration and Repairing Mask. Cool. 50 mils that we get in here. Our probiotic deep hydrating and repairing mask is an overnight treatment that aims to give long-lasting hydration, smoother complexion and more radiant, youth-looking plumped skin. Skin feels hydrated, balanced and strong. Cool. Love the brand. This product sounds amazing. Can't wait to try it. And that's what it looks like out the box. Yeah, it looks lovely. Oh, I'm super excited to try this. Right guys, so this is the March Pretty Obsessed box. This is the luxury box, £24.99. What do you think? Personally, I am well chuffed. I got 11 products and not 10. That is amazing. I don't know why there's 2 eyeliners in there. I know it's 2 different kinds of eyeliners. There's a precision felt tip one and then a pencil. Yeah, but I think I've had the pen one before and it seemed okay, so okay, I'm not mad at it. And the purple eyeliner, I can't wait to try that. One of my viewers mentioned to try that colour as well, so now I have it, I'm going to try it. Some really good brands in the box, some really expensive brands, some really affordable brands. The products are amazing. I'm definitely going to get use out of them. Yeah, I am loving this box. I'm absolutely loving this box. I am not regretting getting it at all. So yeah, awesome. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.